Welcome back, tech enthusiasts, to another exciting video on your favorite channel, Valley 4 Techs. I'm Mostafa, and today, we're diving into a topic that's an absolute game changer for anyone running a blog who wants to take it to the next professional level. Now, let me ask you this. Do you own a blog or any other content management system with a custom domain from GoDaddy or any other service provider? Are you looking to boost your site's performance, speed up loading times, strengthen security, and even get a free SSL certificate? If you're nodding right now, then trust me, you're exactly where you need to be. In this video, I'll walk you through, step by step, how to move your blog or domain's DNS management from GoDaddy to Cloudflare. And believe me, this isn't just a small change, it's a massive upgrade that will unlock features and benefits you simply can't get as easily with GoDaddy alone. So, why Cloudflare? Well, Cloudflare is a content delivery network, CDN, and DNS security service that not only shields your site from cyber attacks, but also speeds up page load times by caching your content on servers distributed all around the globe. Plus, Cloudflare gives you flexible SSL for free, which is now essential for ranking higher in search engines and keeping your visitors safe. Here's what you'll master by the end of this video. How to add your domain to Cloudflare. The exact steps to change your Nameservers inside GoDaddy. How to configure the correct DNS records in Cloudflare for your blogger site. How to activate your free SSL certificate and switch your blog to HTTPS. And finally, how to verify everything is working perfectly. So grab your coffee, stick around until the very end, and let's kick off this tech journey together. Alright, let's start the fun part. The first step is to add your blog or website domain name to Cloudflare. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one. Don't worry, it's quick and painless. Step 1, sign up or log into Cloudflare. Go to www.cloudflare.com. If you're new, or already a user, hit login. Enter your email and a strong password to create your account. Then follow the simple instructions to verify it via email. Alternatively, you can sign in with your Google account, or with your Apple account. After logging into the Cloudflare dashboard, we'll start directly by adding our website or blog's domain name. Look for the Onboard a Domain button and click on it. In the Enter an existing domain or register a new domain field, you'll enter your domain name that's registered, for example, in GoDaddy, or you can click on the Register a New Domain link if you want to purchase a new domain directly from Cloudflare. In my case, I will write my blog's domain name, which is valley4techs.com. Just make sure to enter the main domain name without www or http://. The Quick Scan for DNS Records option allows Cloudflare to automatically scan your domain's existing DNS records, like CNAME, AMX, TXT, etc., from your previous provider, like GoDaddy. The goal is to save you time and import the settings automatically. This is the default and recommended option. The Manually Enter DNS Records option is for when you have experience, or want to enter records manually, for example, for a complex website, or when you have custom settings. This is an advanced option used when Cloudflare doesn't automatically detect some records, or when you have custom requirements. The Upload a DNS Zone File option allows you to upload a complete DNS zone file in plain text format. This option is useful for companies or technical administrators who are migrating large domains with numerous records, rather than adding them manually. In the Control How AI Crawlers Access Your Site section, Cloudflare has added a new feature specifically for preventing AI bots from scraping your site's content to train their models. You'll find 3 options as follows. 1. Block on all pages. Completely prevents any AI bots from crawling content from your site, most restrictive. 2. Block only on hostnames with ads. Blocks only on pages that contain ads, typically to protect advertising revenue. 3. Do not block, off. Allows bots to access the content. The Instruct AI Bot Traffic with Robots.txt option is an on-off toggle. When enabled, Cloudflare automatically adds instructions to your website's robots.txt file to tell bots they are blocked, according to the setting you chose above. This means even if a robot ignores network-level protection, the robots.txt file serves as an additional layer of instructions. After you finish with the options and enter the domain, click the Continue button to move to the next step, selecting the pricing plan that suits you. After entering the domain, you'll be asked to choose a pricing plan. Cloudflare offers a free plan that is more than sufficient for most websites and blogs, as it provides all the essential features we need. Select Free Plan, then click the Select Plan button. Now, Cloudflare will automatically scan your domain's existing DNS records. These are the settings that direct visitors to your website, and this process may take a few seconds to a minute. After the scan is complete, you'll see a list of DNS records that Cloudflare has discovered. In most cases, these records will be correct, but we'll review them and modify them if necessary. Don't worry about the technical details on this screen, just make sure that all important records like records and CNAME records are present. If you see any unnecessary or outdated records, you can delete them, but be careful and don't delete anything you're not sure about. After reviewing the records, click Continue. Here we reach the most important step in Cloudflare. The service will provide you with 2 new name server addresses. These are the addresses we'll use in our GoDaddy account. Copy these servers or leave this page open, as we'll need them immediately in the next step. Excellent. We have now added our domain to Cloudflare. The next step is the most important one, telling GoDaddy that Cloudflare is now responsible for managing DNS for our domain. Let's move to GoDaddy. After we've added our domain to Cloudflare, it's time to tell GoDaddy that Cloudflare is now responsible for directing visitors to our website or blog. This step is crucial, and without it, Cloudflare won't be activated for your domain. Open a new tab in your web browser and go to the official GoDaddy website. I'll leave the link in the description below the video. Log into your account using your username and password, or through your Google, Facebook, or Apple account. After logging in, click on your account picture in the top right corner of the screen, and from the menu that appears, click on My Products. From the new screen that appears, select the domain name you want to transfer to Cloudflare, then click on DNS. Inside the DNS management page, we'll go to the Nameservers section and click the Change button. A pop-up window will appear to modify the nameservers. Select the option that allows you to enter your own nameservers, which is, I will use my own nameservers. Now, we'll paste the nameservers we got from Cloudflare. Return to the Cloudflare page, copy the first server address, then go back to the GoDaddy page and paste it in the first field. Repeat this process with the second server address and paste it in the second field. Finally, click the Save button. Now, GoDaddy will show you a warning that will make it seem like your website will disappear from existence and you won't be able to recover it again. Don't worry, this is a normal procedure. Just click the Continue button to confirm the process. With this, we have successfully completed the task on the GoDaddy side. After saving the changes in GoDaddy, we return to the Cloudflare page and click the Continue button. Congratulations! You have now changed the name servers for your domain from GoDaddy to Cloudflare, making it responsible for directing visitors to your blog through its global network. It's very important that you understand this change may take some time to be fully activated across the internet, which is known as DNS propagation. This may take a few minutes to several hours, and in some rare cases up to 24 to 48 hours. So don't worry if it's not activated immediately. Cloudflare will send you an email when the domain is successfully activated on your account. You can also monitor the change process worldwide using sites like dnschecker.org. Once you receive the confirmation email, your site is now connected to the Cloudflare network and ready to benefit from all its advantages. In the next video, we'll explain the Cloudflare dashboard and configure some important settings, such as enabling SSL encryption to secure your website, and enabling file compression to speed up your blog even more. I hope this straightforward guide has been clear and helpful for you. If you encounter any problems, leave me your question in the comments and I'll respond as soon as possible. Don't forget to support the channel by clicking the like button and subscribe, and activate the notification bell to receive all updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.